Finish line.
Arrive.
Yeah, that's. So we arrived now.
I found it.
Yeah. Okay, we're back now. So we're gonna back to explore. We're now in San Andres. We're finished our night canyoning in Bangon Falls. So that time now is already 9:20. 9:20 in the evening.
Freaking scary.
Okay. Plastic ko no? Wala yung bahay nila sa taas. Okay, so now we're going to Labo Cave Farm. So we just finished our canyoning. So now we're gonna overnight in Labo Cave Farm because tomorrow we go 3 caves in 1 day. Yeah, caving time. After canyoning, caving time. See you. Barangay Tagbayon. Okay, go. Ayun now. So we're gonna logbook. Now we arrive now at 11:15 in the evening. We're still logbook going to the farm. Or Lobo Cave Farm.
Yeah.
So magdi-dinner na tayo. Dinner pa ba ito or breakfast na? Ha?
Dinner na lang at saka breakfast.
Okay. Kuha na lang, isa na lang ano.
Pwede na daw po na ikuhan.
Oh, kasi yung oras ngayon 11:19 na. So magdi-dinner pa lang kami pagdating. Kasi late kami because nag-canyoning pa kami. Okay.
Lagi smooth balik ka lang mixing.
Hindi naman siya 22 Usman eh. Hindi. Medyo malaking tinggahan eh. Ginagamit ngayon daw sa parang competitor.
Okay. Labo Farm at 11:52 at Labo Farm. Nice. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, welcome to the farm.
It's a lovely place.
Sige. Sige, pulang kayo. Find your seat.
Kapilanay.
Bakit? Extra lang.
You gonna eat na?
These are luxury. Of course I'm going to eat.
You hungry na? Hanggang nag-init kami ng aming crab. Yeah, the crab. Yeah, yummy. So, I'm gonna sleep here in the farm. Trixie is sleeping. Trixie is eating.
My third steak.
Don't ubos kay we gan. Ano sasagban niyo? Tahong? Totobod daw ito.
Diri.
Diri.
Hindi lang sa pagkuan. Uy, huwag na kita.
Manindot.
Kaya ko. Nasunog na.
Malakado.
Mag-release kita, mag-release.
Yeah, nice. Wala. Ano yun?
Ay, hala ko. Sila.
Ba na tahong?
Yes. Oh, ito na. Yeah. Sugba-sugba. Tahong. Muscle. Dinner time now. So 12:29 ang dinner pero breakfast na. Kasi umaga na. Oh, sige.
Hali na tayo.
Where you go?
Hali na.
Dinner dito sa Lubuk Cave.
Yan. Sayo.
Dinner ng alas 12 ng hating gabi.
Halina tayo.
Para tayong nag-Chibuay na ngayon.
Sibuy na yun eh.
Sabi na.
Salubong yun eh.
Junior.
Napakahabang salubong. Ano?
Advance.
Pambalik lang ka mo ha. Kawan lang ka mo ito, balik lang. Ha? Balik lang ka mo nga ito. Pwede pa ditong karne. Pangaon lang, pangaon. Mga tricks so relaxing. Tricks.
Ngayon, baka hindi naman niya ako ang
They're eating. Mga pangaon.
dapat yukan. Tapos, pares talaga.
Mga pay na pangaon.
Noon, yun na yun.
So, mga pay na pangaon, mga pay na pangaon.
Basta lahat.
So, live print TV.
Ayos.
Okay. Aga.
Si Agas.
Pinakabata. Excited ako pag
Ano, sarap?
naririnig
Crab
ko
natin?
yung balls.
Masarap.
Ayan. At saka yung tahong.
Tahong ni.
Lami.
Tahong ni naman kuya dyan.
Carla. Makarog-karog. Diba? Oh, sige, kain lang kayo. Balik-balik lang. Eat all you can.
Happy Fiesta.
Oh, happy Fiesta at Lobo Farm. Fiesta at Lobo Farm.
Happy birthday, tapos Happy New Year.
Oh, kangatan naman yun eh.
Merry Christmas.
Testing time.
Kung hindi, patay-patay kami doon.
Yun ang sabi ni Sir.
Sarap ng food.
Kailangan talaga
Thank you.
pakainin na natin bago
Bye-bye for cooking our food.
Sabi ni Sir, pag
Yummy.
madadali ito kung pag ano yun.
Oh, second floor there. So Ryan and Trex are gonna sleep there. The second floor. Oh, there. Nag-tent. Kapay na pisto na. Ready na. Hmm. Hmm. Yan, avocado. Avocado, snack time. Yummy avocado.
May paldi ko dyan. Gusto ni.
Good night. Good night.
Time now is already 6:28. Time for breakfast.
Pack up now. Morning. So they're still sleeping there. Others already wake up. So we go caving today here in Yabong Caves. We're gonna explore like 3 caves just in one day. So we go first to Napunod Cave, other side of this mountain. Then after Napunod Cave, we're gonna enter Lobo Cave. So we're gonna have our lunch inside Lobo Cave. So we go exit here. And then we're gonna enter another cave, Panaghuyan Cave. So it's about 1 kilometer cave. And then we come back in the farm to get our things. And then gonna walk in the river. And 4 o'clock, the boat gonna wait us in Tingob. And we're gonna have a boat ride going back to Yabong this afternoon. Nice. Yeah, it's still sleeping. Mommy. So we already prepared our breakfast. Morning, sir, Manny. Yeah, coffee time. Iba tulog pa. Hangover pa gagabi.
Uberhan. Anywhere. Everywhere.
Cooking. Oh, we have a jackfruit. Because
Di ako hindi makakat, di ako
breakfast time,
Yeah.
morning.
Good
Giant.
Kumusta ang sleep? Yeah. How's the
Okay
sleep?
po, pag-
Okay lang.
Tawa.
Tulog kagad.
Yes.
So, kain ng marami para ma-energy sa caving natin.
Paano pag ang straight ng Ilocano?
Yeah.
Marami pong klase ng
Ah, itlog.
Alam ko stainless steel gusto.
Meron kaming danggit.
Ay, lang yan.
Yeah.
Si Carlo
danggit.
marunong mag-Ilocano.
Antina pa. Cucumber.
Yung
Sige.
ano, for example, sa Bisaya,
Kamatis.
yung ada. Meron, di ba?
Opo.
Sa Ilocano, ada. Meron din.
Iba lang yung ano.
May dada.
Yung.
Okay. Breakfast para may energy. Nandun yung ating mga kuan. We're already preparing for caving na Punod Cave.
Off-lotion naman ngayon.
At for still cooking. Already.
Rigid-sit ko na kami.
Sila mag-caving. So, morning time here in Lobo Cave Farm. So, ready for 3 caves in one day. Caving for 3 caves! Ready? Ha? Ha, mamingaw ba?
ready.
Ha?
Trekking, no?
Okay. So, ready? Let's go! Cook, still cooking. Bilin, no? Kisanay ko.
Bilin.
Dali.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. So, mommy preparing for our lunch later in Lobo Cave. Bye-bye. See you later.
Dali, ang sawang ato sa kuan.
Wala na. Hiking. Going uphill. Mountain climbing first. Before caving. Climbing. 8:28 in the morning. Sige, tingnan natin mamaya kung may power pa.
Huwag mo na siya ito sa araw.
Ayan, nagja-jogging lang. Parang sisiw na. Oo, sanay na.
Hindi parang nakita natin sa ano. May isang itlog ka. Sa exit na ano.
Downhill now, so we already climb up the hill and now we go down, going now to the bottom of this valley, and we're gonna walk further going to Napunod Cave.
Talo na ko. Catch niyo. Sa bigat kong pawang mo lang.
Wag mag-send ka ng emotion.
Hindi, nananahimik sa bahay nila eh. Yan, sino nga?
Malulula ako.
Single, Vito.
Grabe, hindi halatang ano.
Lim na bagay. Okay.
Next on the list.
Yeah. Okay, going downhill more. And now, so we're gonna go further now there, going to Napunod Cave. So maybe 30 minutes, 40 minutes more walking. A cave. Small cave only. So I'll go up there. Oh, very nice. Mini.
Mga uyagan ka ng 90s.
Uyagan din eh. Ang kaliding? Ganyan mo na kaliding?
Arokay ang tawag ito.
Arokay?
Paang.
Arukay? So we call this one Arukay. Very nice.
Harukanog na.
Legit ang ngaran? Legit?
Ha?
Ang ngaran?
Diyak marang mangyari ni pero.
We're near now Napunod Cave. Napunod Cave just only for there.
Wala na pala eh.
Yeah, still walk. So this is downhill. We need to be careful. They're already there. Oh, there Trex. So Trex already there. Oh. Ito na. Yeah, we're here now, Napunod Cave just only there. So that's the entrance there of Napunod Cave. Gonna prepare here our caving gear. They're already here. Okay. Nice. So that's the entrance of the cave. Napunod Cave. Gonna prepare here. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Ready na sa suit nyo. Igawas nga din kuhan bagang garter. Kuhan nga kay para pag may kukuhanan lalsikuhan. Prepare now or caving gear. Yeah, a few minutes we're gonna enter the cave. So they're already prepared. Ready to go to explore Napunod Cave.
Ay mayroong filter na marami. Yan ang pinaka-highlight sa table.
Napunod Cave. Okay, let's go. We're entering now the cave. But here. Entering now Napunod Cave, so now we're gonna explore. So you see down the water, the river, underground river. Ha? Wala, no? Dito na lang. Oh. Alexa! Camera, Alexa!
You are dancing the song right now. Can't you just video underwater? Can't you just video? Can't you just video underwater? Can't you just video underwater?
Sige na. Go. Diretso lang.
Okay, now I practice.
Ayun na. Wala. Wala. Alexa! Waterfall, Sere na panod. Waterfall. Shower, Seren, Nabonod Cave.
Hindi ko yun, diretso lang yan eh.
Oh. Kuya Nold yung guide. Yan si Kuya Nold. Siya yung tour guide. Mhm. Okay. Chandelier. Yeah, nice view. Oh, dito, doon sa baba para may model. Okay.
Medyo palaki mo yung mata mo ng konti.
Okay. Okay, ganun. Your shoes now?
No.
Wear now your helmet? Big chamber again. Very nice. Okay. Chandelier.
Sandbar. Look here, dear. This side, knock.
Bago nito, nakakabot ng tubig, wala na yung mga tubig na kapatid. Mga baras na yung mga kaparas nito. So, ibig sabihin, hindi nito nakakabot ng tubig.
Oh my god, look at that.
Don't touch.
New girl.
What? What's that?
Unit.
Newly?
Yeah, should be.
Okay, don't touch.
Oh, that looks nice.
Okay, go.
Ito na.
That's a long line of customers.
Sige, doon lang, tayo lang doon. So picture muna tayo dito. Magandang giant flows doon. Oh. No, no, no. Taking. Oh. Parang terraces. Ang ganda. Kami. Gana siya alas eh.
Where are we going next?
Here.
Oh.
Casino Cave Pearl. There, like a cave pearl. See? Cave Pearl. Not Cave Pearl, oh.
What?
Cave Pearl.
What's that?
Circle. It's a pearl. The main is here. There, nako. Take a look. There.
Looks more.
Cave
Where are
pearl.
we going?
Wait. So we have a cave pearl now. Yeah, cave pearl. On it. Mini cave pearl. Yeah. Yeah. Cave pearl.
Marami talaga. Sabi ng na-research ko sa internet, ito daw ay napurma ng tulong.
Take a look. Put it down, put it down. Put it down.
Medyo pwede mo
End up Naponod Cave. So ready to go back? We're going to Lobo Cave. Let's go to Lobo Cave. Okay. There, the cave pearl there. So now we go to Lobo Cave. Let's go. Yeah.
Sa kon, sa Lubukig, meron ako nakikita ng sobrang puti ng bird. Ito, medyo color, ano kasal? Color
Okay. Okay. Ulit. Madali. At ang saya-saya. In Naponod Cave. Oh. Tapos na kami mag-caving. Swimming na. Pabalik na kami. Isang cave pa naman. 2 cave pang pupuntahan namin.
There's a bird!
Triplets. Inside Naponod Cave.
There's a bird!
Rock. Nice rock.
Pang kuan, agmahan.
Nice.
Bulang kristal. Ilabas yan. Ano yung
The power. The power of,
Tanggalan yung helmet.
yeah,
Idikit yan yung ulo mo.
the power
Mas
of,
malakas ang ilaw.
Tayo
Mas malakas ang reflection.
Oh, tayo malakas. Tanggalin mo
Yeah.
yung helmet mo.
Uyok mo.
yeah.
Ano mo rin, magpapahula ako.
Aure.
Ano ba yung kapalaran ko?
Kailangan ko yung kapalaran.
Lola Auring.
Ay, Lola Auring.
Ano ba naman yan?
Lola Auring.
Lola Auring, hulaan mo yung kapalaran ko.
Sinong gusto magpahula? Hulaan ko.
Mga anong oras kayo tayo
Malaking
makakauwi?
boyo.
Relaxing. Now, swimming. Here now, the waterfall there. Karen, say hello. Hello. Ah. Sige, baba na. Ulit. Going back now. Come here now, Drex. Fix it now. Yeah, finally. Fix it now. Out in the cave. Finally. Come here. Oh, go na, go na. You enjoy?
Ask them. Look at this, Daddy. Air bubble got stuck somehow.
Okay. Finally out in the cave.
Oh, look at this. Daddy, look at this. Bubble, air bubble.
Yeah, welcome. Out in the cave, Napunod. Congratulations. We conquered Napunod Cave. So, a few minutes, we're gonna walk going now to Lobo Cave.
2 minutes, I'm already hungry, Daddy.
Oh, you're hungry na?
Yeah.
Okay, the food is still in Lobo Cave. Oh, Dolly. Yeah, we're having snack. We come out around 11 at 12:43 now. We still go to Lobo Cave. Snack time. Adik, what did you snack? Huh? Snack time. Gonna eat my snack. Now, Napunod Cave. So we're go hiking now, going to Lobo Cave, somewhere there. Gonna climb the hill and go somewhere there. Yeah, mountain climbing again.
Mga partner, lipot tayo na nag-rock up tayo. Hanapin natin yung isang iba.
Find Lobo Cave.
Finding the Lobo Cave.
Sige.
Finding Lobo Cave.
Pakol.
Pakol.
Wala mo liso ano. Hinog na. Yan, wala sa may saging. We find the entrance of Lobo Cave. This is the far exit. So we enter there and we're gonna have our lunch inside the cave. Yeah. Another cave, Lobo Cave. Okay. Oh. Ha? Oh, yan. Yung Lobo Cave na ito. Sige. Suot nyo na yung helmet nyo. Open nyo na yung lights doon sa loob ng cave.
Where you going, Daddy?
We're gonna inside Lobo Cave.
This is Lobo Cave.
Yeah. So there's a far exit.
What?
Far exit of Lobo Cave. So we enter now Lobo Cave.
Tapos,
And
lalabas tayo sa
entering now
unang list.
Lobo Cave.
Pero masarap ito. Yan o. Kakain sa Manny. How was it, sir?
Sarap. Sarap ang pakol.
Yo, dami. Bakit tayo sa lugar.
Now here in Lobo Cave. So we're gonna explore now Lobo Cave. Going to the Lobo Farm. Out in Lobo Farm. Okay, let's go. Open your light. Entering again. So we're entering now. Yeah. Okay. So coconut growing in the Lobo Cave. We have a coconut plantation.
Indoor coconut. Definitely by accident. Should be. If you take care water from the other back.
Okay. We go up here.
Tawag mo ko ba dito kasi lalagay ko.
Okay.
Ibigon yung ito.
Okay.
This used to be filled with water.
we're gonna swim now there, further.
Swim.
Yeah, go.
Oh no. Wait lang sir.
Let's swim now.
What can I say?
Okay.
Uy, it's a girl. Patay na yan, sir. Patay na.
Oh, sagyan.
Oh, marami na siyang anak, oh, mga buhay na, oh.
Okay.
Wow, ang galing yan.
Want to try?
Hey, up there. Hello. Blind crab.
What? Hipon?
Oh, small shrimp. Blind crab and small shrimp. Go down in the water. Ayaw din nasa taas kaya very difficult na to go down. Okay, go. Go down in the water.
Oh my god, I can see the dirt.
Kaya you have no choice kaya we're gonna swim there. Wish to...
Sure, no choice.
Sige na, go down in the water. Go down in the water. Sige na. So go down in the water kaya we have no choice.
I'd rather not.
Oh, see? Ito na.
Here, this is so dirty. Get me off.
Swimming in the canyon. With a nice view. No, Trexo. Look at that big pool. Mini bus. Okay. Huh? No more. Come up na. No more water. Now come up. Put on your shoes again. No, your shoes. Yeah, we're in a mini stalactites. Chamber with mini stalactites. Very nice. Bad shit. Careful, slippery enough. Very nice. Terraces. Many bad.
I'll separate my legs if you don't go back.
Many bad. Canyon. Yeah. Okay. Wala, wala.
Nagtagpo pero yung pinadala.
Nice. Nice formation. Middle year. Yeah, stalactite. Dirty finger.
What?
Dirty finger.
Yan, parang may
Mushroom.
naman na dyan, napasuwa.
So, male organ. Giant penis.
It's not funny.
Huh? Giant flowston. There, giant flowston. See? Really white.
Okay, magbabago yan.
Hmm.
Ito yung kung gano'n ka...
Water again, very nice. Oh, you can swim now here. It's clear water. Come on. It's clear water here. It's more clean. Come on. Come here na. Go swim na, swim. Go swim na there. Go. Sige, diretso. Langoy na. Sige. 1, 2. Swim na, anak. Go.
No more bad shit.
Okay, did Daddy come to relax here?
Oh, we continue na kaya hungry na.
Oh my god, I want to relax and after seeing the nightmare of what my gift from.
Okay. Yeah, natural bathtub here, but no water.
Wait na ka. First rule, bago guide. Punta, pero napaligid ka. May bagay na parang samuhan.
Yung ano ba, yung nagpapabilis pag-iwa, ganun ba?
Mabilis na po.
Kasi na pa yung ilan naman eh. Iiwan lang mo yung kulit sa may tubig doon. Yung ipis sila sila ng tubig. Mga ipis. Hindi ipis sila, maraming ipis. Yung ipis sila sa iba.
Sit down, Nak. Sit down. Sit down. Yeah, we're going to there. Okay. So going down. So here, the rope. Legs going down. Careful. Careful. Hold. Gonna eat now, or that's our lunch there. Lunch area there. Yeah, food is there already. Yeah. Nice. Okay, going down now. The lunch area. Oh, wait, tanay nak. So we're gonna eat there. Atrex is hungry. Okay. Caving in summer. No, we get the one. We get the plate. We get the plate. I said no. Go on, get the plate.
I'll just eat this.
Ayaw nga, anay.
What's this?
Ano yan ito? That's utan.
What's utan?
So that's our bayan. Eating time.
So kakain muna kami dito.
We need energy.
Para magka-energy. Pagkatapos dito. Dito pa nag-gawin medyo. Oh, ano yun?
Depende sa bayan. Waray na time ada. Ampat lera, butlaw na lahat tira. Sige, kain lang. And rice. Chicken. To pork. To vegetable.
Ay, gusto mo ng ano?
Oh, rice.
Alright, sige.
Rice.
Pork.
Okay, kuha lang. Sige. Kuha lang kayo.
Para mabuhay.
Kaon para may energy. Kain lang.
Lubuno ka na.
So we're gonna pack up now. Just finish our lunch. So we lunch around 2 something. Yeah, we danced like 2:15.
We will lunch later.
Daddy, where are we going?
So now we're going out to the farm. So pack up now. Yeah. So gear up again. Put on our life vests and helmet, and then we're gonna swim out in Lobo Cave, back to the farm, and we're gonna pack up because 4 o'clock the boat we're gonna wait us in the river in Tingub. Yeah. Wash your head. Oh, see? Okay. Wash your head. Okay. Water now again. Just the tunnel. We're gonna swim here. Yeah. Okay. Watch your head. Watch your head. See? Watch your head. Your head. Okay, go na. Swim na, anak. Go na. Swimming now the underground river again. We're gonna go now exit. Exit in Lobo Cave. Ano, magkot na liwat? Kurog-kurog na liwat? Sige, dito na, laman na. Okay, go. Out in the cave. Exit. So they're still swimming. It's almost there. Swim. Okay, congrats. Made it. Congratulations. Conquered Lobo Cave and Naponod Cave. Okay, out in the cave. Finally.
Ha? Tumayo ka. Ay, ka pa eh.
Yan. Still there. Nice, congrats. Good job. O, picture tayo dyan sa akin. Okay. Off your light. So we're out now at the Lobo Cave.
Yes,
We made it.
we made it.
Yeah. Yeah, we're exit the Lobo Cave.
Yes.
Yeah, we're done our two caves in Yabong. Naponod and Lobo Cave.
The best.
Okay. So now we're back to the farm. Gonna change and prepare. Pack up. Oh, okay. So back to the Lobo farm. O dito tayo, picture muna. Group picture muna dito. So back to the farm.
Dito ako lumaki. Para may aga.
O dito muna tayo. Yeah, we're here now at Lava Farm. We made it! We made our 2 cave. Only 2 cave, no more power. And 3 cave. Actually, we have no more time. Next time. We're back now at the Lava Farm. Now we're gonna pack up. So we're gonna pack up all our things here. So many things to pack up. Yeah. So the time now is already 3:16. So 4 o'clock the boat gonna wait us there. So we need to pack up fast. And we have some snacks here. So did you enjoy, Nak?
Yes.
Huh? Sure? Huh? You're tired?
Yes.
A little?
Okay, can I go?
Okay, you go where?
I don't know.
So we have a snack here. Banana Q. Very nice. Yummy. Cooked by Mami Ryan. Ito, meron itong snack. Banana Q. Tara, kain kayo dito. Ready pack up. So me already pack up also. Me my bag. Already pack up. Ready to go. And also this one gonna bring this one. Yeah. Wala na, sinabasura na yan. Now.
Yay.
Okay, thank you for coming at Labo Farm.
Yeah, we'll be back.
Yeah, next time.
Hindi ka nagbutang, ma'am. Parahe pa pala gano.
Okay, thank you for coming. So 4 o'clock now, we're leaving at Labo Farm. Because the boat now is already there, 4 o'clock. Gonna wait us. Thank you for coming, Labo Cave Farm. See you next time. Thanks for the visit. Okay.
Nakasunod.
Yeah. Kanyuning. Okay. Okay.
Thank you.
Sige. Bye-bye. See you next time.
Madam.
Yeah, walking the river. Going to the boat. To Tingob River. Going now to the boat. Yeah, finish caving. Gonna rain. Yeah, yes. Swimming. Swimming. Panaghuyan. Panaghuyan cave. Oh, Tagbayaon. Tagbayaon.
Tagbayaon.
Oh. Oh. We're trekking now. Because low tide, the boat cannot come here. We're gonna go there where the boat. Attenuation. Nabitin. Sige, sakay kayo doon. Oh, kunti lang. Okay. So right now the boat still go further. The boat still there waiting.
Malugad na. Yes, get out. Balance.
Okay, boating. Ayan.
Pwede na par. Pwede na ma'am. Sakay ko kita tanan, Kuya Jun. Kaya wala mang
Kailan mo na.
Wala na.
Para sure, sige. Kaya yan.
Medyo ko ano.
Oh, steady lang. Walang hihinga.
Bye!
Bye. See you later. So, bye-bye. Sulat kayo.
Ganito pala dito sa Vietnam. Vietnam.
Hindi, yabong lang ito.
Yabong.
Oo. Okay, boating.
Ano lang ganyan?
Talago yan.
Oo, dito na ikon ano? Lili.
Talago yan.
Alagla tira. Oh, wanya nata. Ready? We're gonna ride now the boat going now to Yabong. Yeah, but we're gonna transfer there in the bigger boat with the motorized boat. This one is only to bring us in the other side because it's deep there. Okay, let's go. Boating time. Boating time. We're here in the canyon. So boating. Mami. Oh, boating na. Oh yeah, after caving, boating. To Yabong. Nice view. Like a canyon here. Yeah, nice. Here. So we're gonna walk again. Yeah. Okay. So the boat's still going and we're gonna walk there. Still low tide. So we're gonna walk. Okay. So they're gonna unload the water because it's low tide. So later they're gonna carry it. They're gonna put it in the boat again. So they're going to Yabong. Get water from Panaghuyan. Yeah. Yeah, see, it's hard to pass through because low tide. I'm gonna walk further. Wala, pangitag dalan. Yun ay. Danlog, yun ay.
Danlog talaga. Isa bakit na rin yung ito.
Okay. So they said when there's a high tide, it come first when there's a high tide. They call it tumaob. Murag jellyfish, no? Murag gulaman.
Pointed iya ko anda di. Pakita pointed.
Ha?
Pointed iya in ko.
Yang tamoy. So, oh, very nice. Oop. Tumaob. Very nice. So very strange. It's more bigger. Round. Very nice. Like. Ooh. Ooh. Very nice. There the boat. Yeah. To Yabong. Check it out.
Buhay ra di, buhay pa mapot kulay ya. Eh, masulog dito tulay.
Tutuyo may tabaw.
Parang lugar ang dahil kugsay.
Dire masulog. Dami kita. Dire nga.
Masulog dito, may tulay.
Okay, we're in on the boat now. Yeah, in the boat with mommy. Yeah, boating time. Going to Yabong. There are 3 boat. Yeah, 3 boat. The bridge to Bawang. Bridge to Barangay Bawang. Yeah. We're arriving now in Yabong. So we're now in Yabong town. Yeah, nice. Smile! Smile! Oh, Yabong na. Smile. Yeah, many bamboo here because they gonna put it in the sea and the mussel grow there in the bamboo. So this is the Tahong capital of Samar, Yabong, Samar. Mussel, mini mussel here. So this is now the town of Yabong. That's the bridge there. So where we're gonna stop there. So that's the highway, main highway. So we're gonna ride there a bus or a jeepney back to Catbalogan. Yeah, nice. Already 5:25 in the afternoon. We arrived now. Yeah, nice view. Smile. Mommy. Aga, mommy. Smile. Yeah, smile. Okay. Yeah, we're now in the town of Yabong. Beautiful place. Where the Lobo Cave located in Yabong, Samar. It's the most beautiful cave in the Philippines. So today we just explore 2 caves. We explore Napunod Cave and Lobo Cave. We don't anymore go to Panaguyan because we have no more time. So the visitor is still going back to Tacloban tonight because they have a flight tomorrow 6:30 in the morning back to Manila. So thank you to our guests from Baguio. Thank you for coming again. See you for Pinipisakan Falls and canyoning in Biliran. Below the bridge. Yeah. Yeah, on the bridge. Talaba. Yeah, Talaba grow there in the under the bridge. So we're gonna stop there. That's the docking area. And that's the main road there. The bridge. The highway with the truck. Yeah, nice. They're coming also. Yeah. Okay, back to civilization. We arrived now. Yay! Welcome to Yabong. Back to civilization. Okay. Go down. Okay. The others there. Okay, slowly lang. So they're also arriving here. The other group. Yeah, welcome to Yabong. Yeah, nice. Stocking time. Okay. We're in Barangay Alejandria in Yabong. Where we dock. Yeah. So bye-bye boat. Damo na salamat. Okay. Here in the highway of Yabong, so we're gonna wait for a jeepney or bus to Catbalogan. So we're gonna load now our things. Yeah. Waiting for the bus, for the jeepney. Here in Yabong Highway. Here in the bridge. Nice. Now the bus going to Catbalogan. Standing. The bus is full. Catbalogan, we ride the tricycle. Okay. Alam na nila yan. Bisamis la, bisamis. La, mami. Yan na ka dito. Sige, yan o. Isa pa ko no. Diyan. Sige, sakay na. Catbalogan, we just finished our summer canyoning and Yabong Caves with guests from Baguio. So thank you for watching. See you for the next adventure. So tomorrow we go to Pinipisakan Waterfalls in San Jose for another guest. Bye bye. Time to fix my things and prepare for the tour for tomorrow. Good evening.